Hey guys, so welcome back. So in this video I'm doing a review and unboxing and trying out the 3D pen. I've always wanted to try one as well. So with the 3D pen you get a manual of how to use it in a lot of different languages. It's super easy and simple. And then you get these free templates as well. As you can see, this is such a cool thing to make. It's got both sides, so it's like literally a lot of 3D templates, and then you get this plastic topping with it just so you don't rip up the paper and for the 3D pen to come off easily. And then you get a colour of your choice, and mine came with a pink, and obviously they've sent a lot of different colours as well. I'll put all the links and stuff in the description down below of where you can purchase this from. And I'm going to be totally honest with you during the review, and I'm going to tell you if I find any mistakes or any hard things during the 3D pen. But these are all the nice colours it comes with. It comes with purple, green, it even comes with silver and gold as well. So it comes with the 3D pen. It's a cat-like one, and it comes with a stand. It's just two legs and a tail, and you just put it on when you're not using your 3D pen or when you're just posing it. And then it comes with these wires and these cables, and simply you just put them together like so, and then you plug it in, and then you plug it into the top of the pen, as you can see. And then it gives you a couple of options. So it says ABS mod, or do you want BLA mod? If you read the manual it tells you what they are, but I'm just going to pick the BLA mod. And then it gives you medium, high and low, but I'm going to go for high. But if you're a beginner, just go for low. The reason why, if you're going to go for low, it takes quite a long time for it to come out, but if you go for high it comes out really quickly. But make sure that this part, as you can see, it's got this little piece off. Make sure it's cut and it's got straight lines on both edges like that, because if it doesn't, then you're gonna have some trouble when it comes through. You're gonna have some issues with the nozzle, because the nozzle is quite delicate, to be honest. And we're gonna just press play, and then as you can see it's going through, and it takes at least 25 seconds. You need some patience for that, and it's quite noisy as well, but overall it's a nice thing to have and to try it out if you haven't got one. As you can see, it's come out. And then this is the fastness of it, of how fast it comes out. So if you have any more questions or you need any more help, just simply comment down below and let me know. So let's get started. So for this video I'm going to do the Eiffel Tower. I've just got a template I've just printed off from the internet, and I'm going to use this plastic. It's a bit small, but I'll show you how I'm going to work it. I'm going to do the top, and then after I finish doing the top I'm going to take it off and I'm going to do the bottom. And you need 4 of these, and I've got a quick template as well. I've done one already. This is what it's going to look like, but obviously I don't have enough of the black or the pinkish yellowish colour, so I'm going to do with different colours, and then I'm just going to spray paint it. And they are quite strong, the 3D pen plastic that comes with it, and to be honest it is so nice. Like when I was using it yesterday and this morning, it's just a good feeling. I don't know how to explain it. And also I did these scissors as well. I got that off for a template as well, and I've just done this little hoop. I'm going to put some thread through and I'm going to hang it on my car just like that. So yeah, let's stop the talking and let's get started with the video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I'm coming home.